8R. Imagine a tractor that knows exactly when you need more power and delivers it automatically, without pressing a single button. That's what the John Deere 8R and 8RX with peak power IPM do. They don't just give you raw horsepower, they give you smart power that adapts to your work. Whether you're pulling a heavy trailer down the road or in the middle of a crucial planting session, the tractor senses the extra load and instantly adds up to 40 more horsepower, all on its own. At its peak, you can get up to 634 horsepower whenever your operation demands it. But it's not just about raw force. As your tools draw more electrical or hydraulic power, the system automatically compensates, keeping your speed steady and your work running smoothly. It's like your tractor is thinking ahead so you don't have to. For anyone looking to farm smarter, not just harder, check out peak power IPM at your nearest John Deere dealer and see the difference it makes in the field. 8RX tractors. Imagine a tractor that doesn't just work but thinks and performs at a level you've never seen before, letting you focus on farming while it handles the toughest tasks. The new John Deere 8R and 8RX tractors are game changers, combining the massive power of a 9R with a frame that's easier to control and offers a clear view all around. With up to 634 horsepower and peak power management giving you an extra 40 horsepower when it counts, these tractors are built for real performance. But it's not just about raw strength. These machines make planting smarter, pulling wider equipment, moving faster across fields, and placing every seed perfectly, cutting waste and boosting results. Inside the cab, everything has been redesigned for simplicity, intuitive controls, smarter tech, and a setup that actually makes sense. With 14-hour runtimes and automation features, you spend more time working and less time managing the machine. And it's designed to grow with your entire fleet. Smarter, faster, stronger, the future of farming is here. Would you trade your current tractor for one of these? Heavy machinery. Imagine a machine that makes one of the toughest jobs on the planet feel almost effortless. I got behind the controls, and honestly, nothing could have prepared me for what came next. I've handled plenty of heavy machinery in my life, but this is on a completely different level. The power it delivers is astonishing. It slices through the earth like it's soft butter, and the boom moves so quickly and smoothly that it almost feels unreal. Step into the cab, and you're blown away. It's incredibly spacious, comfortable, and the massive monitor up front transforms it into a true workspace you actually want to spend all day in. What sets this machine apart is the collaboration behind it. Real operators who run CATs and other brands helped design every detail, and John Deere actually listened. Every control, every angle, every feature reflects that input. The machine has been pushed to its limits, tested under the harshest conditions, and passed every challenge with flying colors. Production is limited, but once it hits the industry, there's no going back. This changes everything. Island Lifeline. Imagine living on an island with no roads, no trucks, no trains, just water separating you from everything you need. Every weekday, a single barge arrives like clockwork from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., carrying food, supplies, and essentials for the whole community. That barge isn't just a vessel, it's the lifeline of the island. If it fails, the entire island feels the impact immediately. Choosing the right engine to power that barge wasn't optional, it was critical. That's why they went with John Deere's 13-liter engines, known for their toughness, reliability, and straightforward maintenance. Any mechanic can quickly service them, minimizing downtime, because every missed run affects real people. And when challenges arise, James River Equipment is ready to respond with parts, expertise, and fast solutions to keep the barge moving. For operations where an entire community depends on you, having partners who understand urgency and deliver reliability isn't just smart business, it's the foundation of trust. Driven innovation. Imagine if the people actually using a machine got to shape how it's made. That's exactly what John Deere did, and it's transforming the way machines are built. Unlike most billion-dollar companies, they didn't just design in boardrooms and hope for the best. They went straight to the source. The farmers in the fields facing real challenges every day. Engineers worked side by side with operators, listening, observing, and adjusting designs based on real-world feedback. One farmer from Montana summed it up perfectly. I feel like this machine is as much mine as theirs. Through their customer advocacy group program, every suggestion, issue, or improvement goes directly from operator to engineer, cutting out delays and middlemen. Deere doesn't just release a machine and walk away. They track performance constantly, update designs in real time, and refine every detail based on how the machines perform under real conditions. The result is equipment that's tougher, smarter, and shaped by the people who rely on it most. This is the power of collaboration between makers and users, showing exactly what customer-driven engineering looks like in action. JCB GT. What if I told you the most jaw-dropping machine at a drag racing event isn't even a car? You've seen sleek race cars, massive monster trucks, but nothing prepares you for the JCB GT, the world's fastest backhoe loader. Yes, a backhoe. The same kind you see digging up roads and construction sites. But this one has been completely re-engineered to fly down the strip. First built by JCB in 1988, this incredible machine has evolved through 3 major upgrades and still steals the spotlight at racing events across North America, thrilling crowds every single time. Beneath its iconic yellow hood sits a monstrous 572 cubic inch engine delivering a mind-blowing 1,300 horsepower, not a typo. We caught up with it at the Rocky Mountain Nationals during the EMAC Nitro Jam Racing Series, and seeing it launch down the track was one of the wildest moments we've ever witnessed. This is exactly the kind of engineering that pushes boundaries, combining raw power, innovation, and pure spectacle in a way that leaves everyone watching completely stunned. JCB Backhoe. What if a single machine could handle digging, lifting, and loading faster and more efficiently than anything else on your site? Let's dive into why contractors everywhere rely on JCB for getting work done. I'm Jim, and today we're looking at 3 top JCB backhoe loaders: the 3CX14, 3CX14 Super, and 4CX14. They all dig to the same depth, but each brings a different approach. The 3CX14 is simple and dependable, a true workhorse that just gets the job done. The 3CX14 Super adds more power, a bigger front bucket, and extra cab space, making longer or heavier jobs easier. The 4CX14 is the powerhouse: huge front wheels, 3 steering options, and serious strength for the toughest tasks. What really counts on any site is how much dirt you can move per hour and how efficiently the machine uses fuel. Bigger buckets cut down trips, smart hydraulics save energy, and strong arms let the loader handle rough terrain without constant care. Whether you're digging trenches, loading trucks, or maneuvering in tight city spaces, JCB has a machine built for the job. Which one would you take to your site? JCB Telescopic. Imagine a single machine that could replace half your farm crew, save you thousands of dollars, and make your toughest tasks feel easy. That's exactly what the JCB Telescopic Handler is doing for farmers right now. Farming has never been harder. Long to-do lists, endless hours, and finding reliable help is nearly impossible. This machine changes everything. It can stack 1-ton hay bales 10 rows high, reach places your tractor loader can't, and handle everything from moving feed to lifting heavy equipment across your fields. Farmers are using it 200 hours a month and say once you try it, going back feels impossible. JCB has been trusted in farming since 1945. Making nearly every part themselves to ensure top quality, fewer breakdowns, and an unmatched 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. With endless attachments, a smoother ride, and excellent visibility, this machine lets you accomplish more before lunch than most machines do all day. If you want to boost productivity without burning yourself out, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Share your biggest farming challenge in the comments and see how this machine could transform your farm. AF11. Farming isn't just planting and harvesting, it's running a full-on business, predicting the weather, fixing machines, and managing budgets all at once. Every day, farmers juggle so many roles: the economist checking numbers, the mechanic keeping equipment running, and the weather expert reading the skies, often before breakfast. When harvest time hits, there's no room for delays, and that's exactly why the AF11 exists. This combine is huge in all the right ways. holding 567 bushels of grain and unloading it lightning fast so you spend more time in the field and less waiting around. Its 775 horsepower engine lets you work longer between refueling stops, keeping momentum on your side. But power is just part of the story. The AF11 is also smart. It automatically adjusts its settings in real time, so you're always working at peak efficiency without guessing or fiddling. You can even monitor and control it from your phone. And with its massive dual displays, it feels like a cockpit designed for your field. Less downtime, more acres covered, and better results. The AF11 isn't just the biggest combine, it's the one every hard-working farmer deserves. Autonomous. Imagine your farm running itself while you rest, and your tractor heading to the field without anyone behind the wheel. Farming has always demanded long hours, early mornings, and constant work in unpredictable conditions, but now technology can match that effort. Case IH has developed an autonomous farm vehicle you control from a tablet, whether you're in the kitchen, your truck, or anywhere on the farm. You simply choose a vehicle, tap a button, and send it out. It follows pre-planned routes, detects obstacles, and even alerts you with a live camera feed if something blocks its way, letting you decide the best path forward. The system calculates the most efficient routes across your fields, ensuring no time is wasted and every weather window is used effectively. You can operate it fully driverless or use a traditional cab, whichever suits your needs. It integrates with your existing equipment and collects field data to help you make smarter decisions for the next season. Smart, efficient farming isn't just coming, it's here today. Soil health. What if the ground beneath your crops is quietly eating away at your profits without you even realizing it? I'm Tony, and today we're diving into a problem that costs farmers thousands each season: soil compaction. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's a network of tiny air pockets that hold water, carry nutrients, and give roots room to grow. When soil gets compacted, those pockets collapse. Water can't soak in, nutrients can't reach your plants, and roots hit an invisible wall. The worst part? The damage often goes unnoticed for years. Research shows compaction can slash yields by up to 15%. On a field producing 200 bushels of corn per acre, that's 28 bushels lost. Heavy machinery, especially on wet soil, can compress the ground 3 or 4 feet deep, causing damage that's nearly permanent. The solution isn't complicated, it's about being smarter with equipment. Fewer passes, proper tires, lower pressure, and tractors designed to spread weight evenly. Protecting your yields and profits starts with understanding your soil. Stick with me as we explore practical ways to tackle compaction and keep your Steiger tractors. Building the world's most trusted farm tractor isn't about flashy features. It's about keeping one promise: never letting a farmer down. When people hear Steiger, they think of a machine that won't quit, even when the work gets tough, and that reputation comes from decades of focus and listening. Steiger studies real farmers, collects honest feedback, and makes improvements year after year. At their Fargo, North Dakota plant, more than $50 million has been invested to make production smarter and faster, but what really sets them apart is how engineers and builders collaborate side by side every day, spotting problems and fixing them immediately. Each tractor is custom built for the customer, with robots handling most of the welding for stronger, cleaner results. The paint is tested far beyond industry standards, and before leaving the factory, every tractor goes through a meticulous inspection, as if the customer were checking it themselves. Raw steel enters the plant, and a ready-to-work tractor comes out. A process that isn't just manufacturing, it's precision craftsmanship designed to keep farmers working without fail. Steiger series. Farming never stops, and neither should your tractor. There's no weekend, no off-season, and no sick days, and when your equipment breaks down, so does your work and your profits. That's why Case IH created the Steiger series with CVX Drive, a continuously variable transmission designed to match your pace, every season and for every task. Whether you're planting in spring, handling silage in summer, plowing in fall, or leveling ground in winter, this tractor keeps moving smoothly at any speed, from a crawl to full throttle, without losing power. It's the first articulated high-horsepower tractor with this kind of transmission, offering 17 setups from 370 to 540 horsepower, with bursts up to 605 when you need extra push. No clutch, no manual shifting, Just set your engine limits and let the tractor find the most efficient gear automatically, saving fuel, reducing wear, and making your work easier. Whether you're an experienced farmer or just starting, the Steiger works with you. For more power, smarter control, and efficiency across every acre, visit your local Case IH dealer or explore the full lineup at caseih.com. Because 365 days of farming deserve 365 days of reliable performance. WD-5 Series. Imagine farm equipment that reacts instantly, works harder, and moves faster than anything else you've seen. That's exactly what the all-new WD-5 Series windrower from Case IH brings to the table. Farming is relentless. You're always racing the weather, daylight, and deadlines, so every tool that promises to make your job easier must truly perform. The WD-5 was designed from scratch to save you time, reduce costs, and make your day simpler. Its advanced electronic steering eliminates the lag of traditional mechanical systems, giving precise control in muddy fields or on the road. And speaking of roads, it can travel up to 30 miles per hour, the fastest in its class, so you get to your fields faster and finish sooner. With over 11,000 foot-pounds of torque, it climbs hills and crosses rough terrain with ease. Inside, the redesigned cab offers superior comfort with improved suspension, noise reduction, ventilated leather seats, and extra tinted glass, plus safer steps for getting in and out. Auto guidance locks onto your path 30% faster than before, helping you cut straighter rows, reduce crop loss, and save mental energy. The WD-5 isn't just a windrower, it's a smarter, faster, more comfortable way to farm. Visit your local Case IH dealer or kc.com to experience it firsthand. Smarter. What if you could save thousands of dollars every growing season just by changing the way you spray your crops? Every farmer knows the stress. There's only a short window to get into the field, and missing it can seriously hurt your yields. But it's not just about being in the field on time, it's about spraying efficiently when you are. New weed-resistant superweeds are spreading across the Midwest, and old herbicides aren't as effective anymore. Some of the newer chemicals actually need finer, smaller droplets to work properly, the exact opposite of what was used before. If your sprayer can't handle it, you're basically wasting money. That's where advanced spraying technology makes a huge difference. Imagine a system that adjusts spray rates automatically based on your speed, shuts off individual nozzles to prevent overlap, and even compensates when turning, all without extra effort. Studies show letting weeds compete with corn for just one day can cost over a bushel per acre, and in soybeans, even a single day can mean up to 1% yield loss. That's not just a number, that's real dollars. Caterpillar. Imagine a single machine that can handle the work of 5. This is exactly what the Caterpillar backhoe loader brings to construction, landscaping, and earth-moving jobs across Latin America. For anyone in these fields, this tool isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a serious game-changer that saves time, cuts costs, and reduces hassle. At the front, it features a versatile bucket that can scoop rocks, push dirt like a mini bulldozer, level surfaces, and even lift pallets. No need to switch attachments. At the back, a thumb attachment lets operators grab large, awkward objects precisely, all from the cab without extra gear. The extendable rear arm adds roughly a meter of extra digging reach, while the bucket rotates 205 degrees, making deep, vertical trenches effortless. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The variable displacement piston pump delivers full hydraulic power without overworking the engine, and the shared flow system allows the boom, arm, and bucket to move simultaneously without losing strength. Plus, the Eco mode drops engine speed to 1,900 RPM, cutting fuel use while keeping performance steady. It's efficiency, control, and versatility all in one machine. Cat 450F. Imagine a backhoe loader that never forces you to stop for maintenance, ever. That's exactly what the Cat 450F delivers. This machine is designed to keep you working without interruptions. No emissions warnings, no unexpected stops, everything runs automatically in the background while you dig. Power comes from a 127 horsepower engine, giving you more speed and strength than the smaller models, so you get more done in less time. Switching between a bucket and forks is quick and tool-free, and the backhoe reaches over 17 feet deep with smooth bucket rotation, ready for hydraulic attachments straight from the factory. Inside the cab, it's comfortable and intuitive, with smart features like automatic engine idle during brakes to save fuel effortlessly. Every aspect of the CAT 450F is built to maximize uptime, reduce costs, and let you work harder, longer, and smarter. If you're looking for a machine that can handle serious digging without slowing you down, this one is built for the job. Share in the comments what tasks you'd put it to. JCB 512-83R. What if a single machine could rotate a full 360 degrees, lift 12,000 pounds, and reach the height of a 6-story building? That's exactly what the JCB 512-83R brings to North America. This isn't just a forklift, it's a telehandler designed to make any job site faster and safer. Unlike traditional forklifts that require repositioning, this machine spins completely in place, saving valuable time and effort. Its 4-legged stabilizers lock it firmly on the ground, giving you complete confidence when handling heavy loads. Inside the cab, a clear digital display shows exactly how much weight you can lift safely, with green, yellow, and red indicators for instant guidance. The design also focuses on ease of use. Getting in and out is simple, maintenance is straightforward, and visibility is excellent, with optional cameras covering all angles. Whether you're on a construction site, in an industrial yard, or anywhere heavy, precise lifting is needed. This machine works efficiently so your team doesn't have to strain. It's smarter, safer, and built to transform how lifting is done. Case IH 250. What if your combine could basically drive itself and make all the adjustments while you focus on harvesting? That's exactly what the Case IH 250 series Harvest Command does. Hi, I'm Nathan, and I'm here to show you how this autopilot system takes the guesswork out of harvesting. Instead of constantly fiddling with settings, Harvest Command monitors everything in real time: crop losses, grain quality, and machine performance, and makes automatic adjustments so you get better results with less stress. Activating it is simple. Flip the switch on the overhead panel, and a small A appears on your monitor to show it's working. On your screen, colored funnels act like gauges. Keep them near the black arrows for optimal performance. Too low, and the system struggles. Right on target, and it reacts instantly to changes. Setting it up is fast. Choose your crop, select a strategy that fits your goals, and set your max speed and engine load. That's it, you're ready to harvest. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, learning from your feedback to improve efficiency every time you're in the field.